Children, now come back to integers. 1, 2, 3 and 0 and -1, -2, -3. These are the integers. In this 1, 2, 3 are called positive integers. Positive integers. And -1, -2, -3 are called negative integers. Children, what about 0? 0 is neither positive nor negative. 0 is neither positive nor negative. Children, see this picture. This is 0. This is natural numbers. This is whole numbers. This is negative numbers. This is integers. We have 0 with natural numbers. The numbers are called whole numbers. 0 and natural numbers are whole numbers. And whole numbers with negative numbers are integers. Whole numbers with negative numbers are integers. Children, now today our first chapter is integers. Integers are along with whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 and includes negative numbers like -1, -2, -3. These are integers. Integers are denoted by the letter Z, capital Z. Here Z stands for famous mathematician Zenith, named as Zenith. Children, let's see what is number line and how to represent integers on number line. This is the line. Place 0 middle of the line and numbers to the left right of 0 are 1, 2, 3 and numbers to the left of 0 are -1, -2, -3. Numbers to the left of 0 are positive integers. Numbers to the left of 0 are negative integers. Positive integers. Numbers to the left are negative integers. Now we put arrow marks here. This arrow mark shows the numbers 1, 2, 3 are so on towards right, and this arrow mark shows the numbers -1, -2, -3 so on are towards left. In this picture, this is number line. Positive numbers are +1, +2, +3, +4 and negative integers are -1, -2, -3, -4. Children, see this example. Represent 4, 0, minus 2, 3 on a number line. Children, first we represent the 4, 0, minus 2, 3. First we draw the number line. This is number line of integers. These are positive integers, these are negative integers and 0. Now, first integer is 4. 4 is right side of 0. And 0. 0 is the middle of the number line. And minus 2. Minus 2 is the left of the 0. And 3. 3 is also right of the 0. This is the representation of 4, 0, minus 2, 3 in the number line. Children, this is today homework. Please practice and show your subject teachers. Okay children, bye bye, take care.